This is a Georgia state quarter, but it's worth $7,200, or at least that's what one recently sold for. Let me explain exactly what's going on. In 1999, the US debuted this sort of an obverse. It showed Washington and also now had United States of America, In God We Trust, Liberty, and Quarter Dollar, and it was the start of the 50 state quarters program. However, at the same time, they were testing out a new metal composition that was being used in the $1 coin that eventually formed the gold Sacagawea planchet coins. Here is a coin, it's not struck on a Sacagawea planchet, but it's struck with a very similar alloy to what was used in that. They wanted to see how it would come out on the circulating quarters. This is the result, and they decided not to go with it in the end, but not before a few of these came out, were released, and collectors gobbled the few up that they could. Again, sold for $7,200, so if you're seeing any off-color Georgia planchet coins, you could have something pretty good.